Hello everyone, today is the 29th day of my videos and tomorrow I will complete 1 month of this journey. So I hope that I am improving myself day by day. Today I will discuss phonic sound. Today I will only discuss phonic sound of A. Vowel A pronunciate as 6 different types. You can see here. First type is A, like alone, about, ago, away, around. Second is A, start, after, father, park, car. Next one is A, name, fame, game, cake, make. Another one is A, apple, animal, angry, ant, bag. Next one is air, like dare, rare, care, share, bear. Next one is awe, like tall, fall, call, ball, wall, wall. Like this, you can also practice phonic sound because we must pronunciate perfect English in English. There must not be the regional language pronunciation in English. So improve, try to improve your skills day by day. Whichever skill you like, go to it. Start recording your videos from today onwards. It gives more confidence to you. So keep improving everyone and have a good night. Bye bye.